Hi, welcome to Abraz Around the House. Well, up to this point, most of my videos have centered around the garage. It's been things that I've done in this garage, things I've done to the garage to bring it to where it is right now. And we're going to take things in a whole new direction. For all my life, I have wanted to have a woodworking garage. And this started with a passion for woodworking at an early age. And I had, in high school, started off on a journey of woodworking that I loved, kind of taken back to that first love of working in a wood shop. I do want, however, this garage to have a little bit different look and feel than a normal woodworking shop. Today I'm going to start that journey, and we start with the first tool. The most important tool in a wood shop is what is underneath this black drape, and let's show you that right now. Here it is, my first purchase, a Grizzly table saw. It will be my first woodworking tool in this garage, and more to add and more to find places to put away. I really want a modular look and feel in here. I want to be able to cover these so where they can look like table, or it could look like a table, and have places to store things. We'll be transforming it into a table saw and router table, and then we'll enclose it. Of course, I want to clean it up. First thing that I'm going to do is work on this top and get it looking a lot better. And I'll be taking some of this apart to repaint it and refinish it. So let's get right on it. We're going to start with this top right here. So the tabletop itself is not in too bad a shape. It's got some imperfections. We've got some rust on it. It's got some scratches, some places where can use a little bit of help. But I think we can make this look a lot better, and so we're going to work on that first. It does have also someone was a little careless with contact cement. You can see it was it's all splattered out. So here are the things that we're going to attempt to use to work on this top. I'm going to start off as non-aggressive as possible with this sanding pad, this ultrafine 3M sanding pad, and see how that works with it. I'll probably use some WD-40 as I work on that. If I need to go up at all, I probably will jump up to this 400 grit sanding paper. If I need to, we'll try the steel wool as well. I don't think I'll need this rust dissolver. I do have some 220 grit paper that I could use with my orbital sander if I need to, and then some paste wax for putting on after I clean it up. So let's get started. WD-40. It did okay, but I'd like to see it a little better. I can see, like right here, that's a ring, like someone set a cup there. This is still, that was rust, and that's still not, it's not pitted, but it's going to take a little work to get past that. But I don't want to dip. I don't want to sand in one spot. I want to try to keep it even. Something was scratched across here, and then this is some more stuff there. A little bit of elbow grease goes a long way. I've still got some scratches, like right there, but they're pretty deep. Pitted mark right there, pitted mark right there, and these scratches, there's one that kind of goes across here. It's a little deeper than I really want to get, and I feel like that I've been pretty even with. And like I said, we're not looking for perfection, just looking for a good clean look. And I think I'm going to throw some wax on it and call it. All right, pretty pleased with the finished product here. Like I said, it's not perfection, but it looks pretty good. Well, that just about wraps it up on the tabletop, table saw top, and this cast iron top is awesome. I love it. It's nice and smooth now, and so I'm looking forward to getting the rest of this done. So we'll be cleaning it up. I got a little touch-up painting that I want to do. I'd like to clean, of course, that contact cement off of there, and then start working on the storage side of this because I can see a lot of potential here, a lot of storage that we can do down here underneath. And this is going to be a great addition to the woodworking shop here in the garage. I'm super excited about hooking this thing up and firing it up and giving it a test run. But that'll happen soon. Thank you for subscribing and liking, and I've got some pretty lofty plans for it. So you want to make sure you follow me on this journey. Thank you again. God bless. Have a great day.